Investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn a significant return on your investment. However, it's important to understand that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and risky, so it's crucial to do your research and invest wisely. Step 1. Research different cryptocurrencies. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's important to research different options and understand the technology behind them. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two of the most popular cryptocurrencies, but there are thousands of others to choose from. Look into the team behind the project, the use case of the coin, and the overall market sentiment towards the coin. Step 2. Set your investment goals. Before investing, it's important to set your investment goals. Are you looking to make a quick profit, or are you looking to hold your investments for the long term? Understanding your goals will help you determine how much to invest and which coins to invest in. Step 3. Open a cryptocurrency wallet. Before you can invest in any cryptocurrency, you'll need to open a cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store and manage your coins. There are different types of wallets available, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. Step 4. Find a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Once you have a wallet, you'll need to find a trusted cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell coins. Some popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Be sure to do your research and only use exchanges that have a good reputation and are known for their security. Step 5. Invest wisely. Once you've done your research, set your investment goals, and found a trusted exchange, it's time to invest. Remember to never invest more than you can afford to lose and to diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple coins. Keep a close eye on the market and be prepared to adjust your investments as needed. Conclusion. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn a significant return on your investment. However, it's important to understand that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and risky. By doing your research, setting your investment goals, finding a trusted exchange, and investing wisely, you can increase your chances of success.